Hey gamers! Today, we're diving into the GIM ATX Mid-Tower PC case, a powerhouse of cooling and style that's bound to elevate your gaming rig to new heights. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about cooling. With a whopping 10 pre-installed 120mm RGB fans, this case doesn't mess around when it comes to keeping your system frosty. Not only do they provide stunning lighting effects, but they also ensure excellent airflow to prevent any overheating issues during those intense gaming sessions. Plus, with support for ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, you've got plenty of flexibility to build the setup of your dreams. But it's not just about keeping things cool, it's also about style. The two 4mm thick tempered glass full-view side panels give you a glimpse into the heart of your machine, while the RGB lighting system adds a mesmerizing touch to your gaming setup. And with the included remote, you can customize the lighting to suit your mood and create an immersive gaming environment like no other. When it comes to installation and cable management, the GIM case shines. The spacious interior makes it a breeze to install your components, and the generous cable management space behind the motherboard tray helps keep things tidy and improve airflow. Plus, with features like a dust filter and magnetic strip dust filter, you can keep your system clean and running smoothly with minimal effort. And let's not forget about connectivity. The top I/O panel boasts a range of ports including USB 3.0 and USB 2.0, ensuring you can easily connect all your peripherals without any hassle. Overall, the GIM ATX Mid-Tower PC case is a winner in every aspect. With its powerful cooling system, stunning RGB lighting, spacious interior, and convenient features, it's a must-have for any serious gamer looking to take their setup to the next level. So why wait? Unleash your gaming power with the GIM ATX Mid-Tower PC case today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.